Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and today we're going to be having a look, as you can see, at MMAT or Metamaterials. Okay, in today's video, we're going to be talking everything about the T35 period. I mean, it's today. We're going to be seeing what will be happening today. Also, I will be sharing you my thoughts and some of the other people's thoughts. So we're going to be adding some comments and stuff. Also, we're going to be talking about the Meta acquisition of Nanotech. Okay, I have some information right here that I want to read you guys. Okay, I'm pretty hyped up about that and why we're here and the great migration of the togetherness. Okay, also we're gonna be talking about everything about. I mean the technical analysis at the end of the video. Then where are we at with the price and all the other good stuff. So let's just get straight into it. Okay, first of all, MMAT. So the T35 day is here and hope everyone had a chance to average down because this is going to fly. Okay, and the first of all, this is a long hold here. Okay, we are a long, we are all like, this is for the long term, and people keep hyping these T35 dates or these T dates and nothing happens. Okay, and when nothing happens they lose hope, and I definitely would love to see it, but we probably need to stop pretending, and it is a certain thing because it's not. Okay, and I don't think the T21, the T35, the TN has ever been accurate. Okay, FTDs are almost always hidden or like reset. So reg show does not apply. Instead of, I believe it's related to futures and swaps, maybe the CDS. Okay, around the indexes, and check out the other like information about that. And the T35 has had enough days to be proven to be an invalid theory. Okay, the data doesn't agree with it with it and like, anymore. Okay, and well, like I know a lot of people have been thinking about it a lot, and they get the feeling that George holding out on the ER or the earnings report till the last minute was so the CUSIP finalized and hit the T35 day. And regardless, though, I'd agree it is, and I will agree that it is a long term hold, and the company has a great potential to disrupt multiple sectors of the market. And I guess we can like revisit this end of a day tomorrow. Hopefully, it's not you telling me I told you so in like, and it's us cheating on the green candles. Okay, first of all, as you can see on the daily chart, on the actual chart, let me just position myself on the actual chart. As you can see on the daily chart, so for the past 2 days we have me having a bearish candles, but we'll see what will happen today. I think on Monday always is green, so yeah. Also, can we stop with the comments saying that the words this company has a potential? Anyone who does the due diligence anyway, okay, including the shields. This is more than a hope or a dream or a maybe in the future company. Okay, that's it. I know. Like a lot of people should be skeptical, like me as well as me. I always say it about that, but this surely has potential and all the other stuff. And also, what I want to read you for right now, guys, too, is the picture that I have right here about the market opportunity driven by a several mega trends of metamaterials. The first thing is the 5G infrastructure. The rollout requires new materials for a transparent antennas and reflectors. Then the vehicle electrification, the significant shift towards the EV ADAs, advanced driver assistance systems, if you don't know what that is. So, and autonomous vehicles, then the combined more than $3 trillion in other vehicles and advanced materials, LOT, medical and energy, aerospace and automotive markets, the scarcity control of the raw materials, the supply or rare earths and materials such as ITO or indium tin oxide, the highly like concerned that is highly concentrated in Asia. And the last thing is that metamaterial device market, and it is expected to grow to $10.7 billion in SAM by 2030. So we'll see what will happen with that, and I absolutely believe that's so okay. So some like one post that I saw on Reddit, which I want to read you right now, guys, is something about the greeting migration of the togetherness. Okay, so one person said right here, okay, uh, Metaverse. This isn't a due diligence. The FDs and there are like due diligence just that he just write where he wrote. Okay, he says that I'm not going to start at the beginning too long involving a stock or like a lot of last September that led me to the fiasco of January 28th. I was a part of the he was a part of the Wall Street bets when we had at least then 2 million, and then saw it balloon to 15 million. Okay, we were excited that the group felt more people in here. Now was the game over, but the shields came before we knew they were shields, and then brought out the majority of our like moderators, and the new followers were blind, like they were blindsided, and old heads were pissed. Confusion came into the room with silver this meme that it became overwhelming, but we learned and migrated. Okay, the legitimate ones came this time not just thinking about the 10 years but the hedges revenge. New people who didn't know anything about the financial markets now wanted to learn, and old heads who have like completely done with the system had like hit. They had fire lit under their ass and was ready to teach. Okay, so they're pretty excited to teach us anybody that wants to learn. Okay, they're proud of themselves. So we banned under the apes movement, buy and hold and vote. Okay, buy slash hold and vote. We started digging over everyone's in like involved and in this financial like transition. The focus even today changed in the subreddit, and it was not about the tendies anymore. It was about the fraud and corporation. None of these like lemon paper tendies are going to taste good without dipping into like mayo and candies and hauled off in a paddy wagon. Okay, whether it was whether it was a far-fetched dream then, every day is now became a like everything became reality. They made history with these AMC and GME stocks, so it was pretty much like insane. For like what we want to do right now, you do something similar to the AMC. This is being shorted a lot. It has a lot of potential, and the company itself is not a dead cinema like company has like potential, and its future is bright. Okay, also like right now I just want to read you about something about a technical analysis right here. What we are waiting at the moment for me is to kind of reach these levels, either these lower high to kind of go above it to make the new higher high, or this lower low. Also we can have some position right here. Okay, also there. So these are the lower highs too. So this can be our threshold like so. And if you don't know what that means, this is what I mean. The lower high. Also, we can use this as a lower high too. So yeah, this is how it looks like. We did actually have a higher high right here, but it was just above this, and we did have like three full candles above it. Then we made a lower low. Right now we're hoping for another higher high, but we will see, guys, what will be happening with it. Okay, this is basically for today about MMAT. Peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day. Bye.